So today I am going to be trading parrot on neon.me. So I traded my neon uni and neon dragon and neon ginger cat already. So someone is actually trading me. They are offering me a unicorn. So when I was off camera, there was a lot of people trading me. They were offering some crazy stuff, and I really didn't want to accept because like I really love the parrot. It was actually my dream pet when I was a noob and a dummy. Then when I got a normal parrot, I was crazy. Like I was so excited, and so I traded my neon ginger cat for this parrot, and I traded my neon uni for I think a turtle and a kitsune and a pig and a pig and a reindeer. Or and this wait, where is it? Reindeer. So I think that was a pretty good offer. And my neon dragon, I think I traded it. I don't remember. But let's teleport to gift and let's start trading this parrot. So as you guys know, my Roblox is still not working. So I'm gonna say trading. Oh my god, trading a parrot. So let's throw that in chat. So I just say trading parrot. A lot of people were trying to offer for my parrot, and I was declining. So alright, so we just got a trade request. So let's add the parrot in. They are offering me. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. But I already have turtle and kangaroo. So I'm gonna say friend me maybe. Where's their name? Oh yeah. Right here. So I'm gonna wait. Alright, so I'm gonna say her friend request. Friend me. Friend me. Okay. I will think about it. So I'm gonna say I will think about it. Alright, so we just got another trade request. They're offering me a fly ride unicorn and a fly ride bee. I think the parrots are actually super duper rare. So I don't think I'm gonna actually trade it. Because I really think it's super duper rare. I already have two turtle and two kangaroo. Oh my god, a neon kitsune. Oh, they add a hyena. So I'm gonna have to decline that trade. It wasn't actually fair. Think about your offer. They are offering me two neon monkey and a coyola and a penguin, which I'm gonna say that's an under trade. So alright, the same person again. A rideable llama, which I'm gonna say that's an under trade. Henry's trading me. Ooh, are they actually gonna do that trade? Let's wait to the end. Are they gonna do it or no? Is the parrot that rare? Oh, they're showing off on me, huh? Wait, someone say it's their dream pet. But where are they? Who have right parrot for fly parrot? Who have right parrot for fly parrot? I really want a rideable parrot. I will think about your offer. So she's actually trading me right now. Maybe she got a different offer. So let's see. All right, the same offer again. A candle. I don't really want the candle, but yeah. So let's all right, someone else is trading me. Let's see what they have. They are offering me a can be a rideable unicorn, but now just a rideable unicorn, which I'm gonna say that's an under trade. Trading parrot. Trading parrot. Alright, so I still say trading parrot, so people, but he was the one who was offering me for my parrot, right? Do you have an offer? Give me your neon Arctic Ranger for parrot. Alright, so trading on parrot. Guys, I really love the turtles, but I also really love the parrot. And they are about to leave the game. I think they will become super rare, but the parrot is actually becoming super rare because people are offering me a lot of stuff for it. So I think they are becoming super rare. So if you have a parrot, don't trade it. I'm gonna try to get more of those parrots so I could actually try to make neon, maybe if I can. So yeah. Alright, so we just got a trade request, so let's accept and let's add the parrot and trade. Let's see what they have to offer. They're offering me a fly red parrot, which that's over because it's fly and ride. So, oh yeah, I was supposed to offer, but whatever. I don't really want to give away my Aussie pets because they are actually leaving the game. So I don't want to trade them away. No one is trading me, so I'm gonna start trading some people. Alright, we just got a trade request, so let's add parrot. So they're offering me a rideable albino monkey, which I'm gonna say that's an under trade because the parrot was in the game longer than the monkey. So I think that's under trade. They're offering me a rideable dragon, which I'm gonna say that's under. They're adding a rocket racer, cute circle glasses, and a pin. That's under. Let's give. And as you guys know, yesterday I got scammed because when the girl was offering me for the neon dragon, she said that she'll add line after, but she obviously didn't. She just left the game, which was really sad to see people scam each other. It's really not okay to scam. I hate scammers. But anyways, I'm sending trade requests to a lot of peeps right now. And don't forget to enter the Black Panther giveaway. So um I need to walk. Let's keep sending trade requests. Alright, so we got a trade. So let's add the flyable parrot. They are offering me a rideable pink card, which is not a bad offer, but I'm gonna say it's not that good. Ooh, they are adding a fly ride kangaroo, a Shiba Inu, and a beaver. Never talk too soon. That was actually a fair offer. So I guess that's how much people trade. Wait, I guess that's how much people trade for the parrots. Pretty good, huh? So they are offering me a rideable frog, which I already have. Let me see how much frog I have. Come on. Wait, wait. Alright, I have 4 frogs. I could literally make neon. And that was also not a really fair offer. So, yeah. Alright, someone is trading me. They are not adding anything in trade right now. So, alright, so they're adding a token which was really hard to get, but you still get it for free and the values are going down. So I'm gonna say that's not a fair offer. So someone else is trading me. So I added the parrot and they're offering me a normal dragon, a bee, a coyola, a penguin, which I'm gonna say that's under trade. So yeah. Tiny Caps is trading me his fly king bee, queen bee. You know what? What for? I have offer for queen bee. So I'm gonna say I have offer for queen bee. So I'm gonna add a rideable turtle and see if he will accept. All right, he declines. So someone else is trading me. So I added the parrot. They are adding a flyable dragon, which I'm gonna say that's an under trade because the dragon will be in the game forever. I think, my opinion. A token, rat, actually 2 normal rats, which I'm gonna say that's an under trade still. we are getting more and more trade requests, so let's accept. I really want ride parrot. So comment down below if you want a fly parrot for a ride parrot, because I really want a rideable parrot. So as you guys can see, people are actually trading a lot for this parrot these days. So people really care about those parrot. They're offering me a rideable dragon and a rocket racer and a cute circle glasses and a MB Pride pin. So I'm gonna say that's under. Alright, next trade. Everyone is actually trading with someone else. Come on, trade me. Any offers? So they're offering me a rideable albino monkey, a rabbit, which I'm gonna say that's an under trade, a dingo, a frog. That's still an under trade. I wanna say. So in today's video, I learned that people are really interested in the parrot. Now they are offering me a flyable dragon, a frog, and a sloth. So I'm gonna have to decline that trade. Wow, people are trading a lot for this parrot. So I'm gonna wait. Oh man, she's in another server, so I'm gonna go ahead and teleport to her. So yeah. And also, you guys, Sue is ready for the dino egg because I really want the Aussie eggs to leave because I already have all of the Aussie pets. I think so. Wait, do I have an Australian Kelpie? I don't know, but I think I have all of the Aussie pets. So guys, I was watching some of my videos and I wanted to end this video right here. So thank you guys for watching and make sure to enter the Black Panther giveaway and bye.